Hi, welcome back to the Tilley Family. Today we got two new packages. I think of baseball cards. So first we're gonna open this one. Are you ready?
See what we got.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
We got two cards in this one.
There's two? Oh man. We'll see what they are.
First we're getting this one open. It's a Steve Avery.
Show the camera.
Graded 9.
And who is it? Steve Avery from what year? 1989. Topps. Tiffany.
First.
Braves player. #1 draft pick back in 1989.
Yep.
Pretty nice card right here, guys.
Next is Tony Gwynn.
Oh yeah, legend. Won the batting title many times.
Many times?
This was 1991, Classic 2, T93, Tony Gwynn.
Nice!
From 1991. For y'all that know baseball, he was one of the best hitters of all time. Won the batting title many times.
Okay, next we're opening this box.
Box number 2. Let me help those for. Oh, that might be just one card.
It's one card.
All right, let's see. Ooh, all right, let's see it.
We got this thing from it.
Let's
And
just
the card
look
is
at
the Flying Pikachu.
Let me see.
Graded 10.
Ooh, that's a good one. Cool. Man, look at that one, guys. That's a cool one right there.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So those of you that don't know, we're trying to get all the 1995 and 1996 Atlanta Braves starting lineup.
Okay, let
So
us show you all of the ones.
Here,
we
Bryson
have.
will go through and show you which ones. That's not one of them.
Oh, you didn't play?
No, not for the Braves, no.
Okay. First is Steve
That's the one we just got today, Steve Avery. Yep.
Next is Greg Maddux, one of the best pitchers when he I forgot. When he was on the Braves in 1996.
Yeah.
This beautiful card. Graded 8 though. Next is a signed Chipper Jones card.
Yep. What year is it?
19, it doesn't say.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't say. So the next is Andrew Jones limited edition card, graded 8.5.
All right.
Our next card is
Fred McGriff.
That beauty card, graded 9. Next is this card worth $700. It's a graded 10 signed.
No, it's not 700. It's like 150.
This card is Tom Glavine, graded 10.
Awesome.
Next
Great card.
is Javi Lopez. Javi Lopez graded catcher graded 9.
All right.
Next card is John Smoltz graded 9.5.
Adnother good card. All right, guys.
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys comment on our adventures for the Tilley fam. Please like and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye.